Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to change a WhatsApp group description. Whether you're updating your group's purpose or adding new details, this guide will make the process quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged in and can access your chats. Next, locate the group whose description you want to change. Once you've found it, tap on the group name at the top of the screen. This will take you to the group's information page. On this page, look for the section labeled Group Description. It's located just below the group name. Tap on it to proceed. Now, you'll see the current group description displayed in a text box. If there's an old description that needs updating, simply delete it. Once the text box is clear, type in your new group description. Be as specific or creative as you like. This is your chance to set the tone or purpose for your group. Once you've finished typing, tap OK to save your changes. And that's it. The new description will now be visible to all group members and anyone invited to join. Updating your WhatsApp group description is a great way to keep everyone informed and aligned with the group's goals or activities. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips.